Do you want to know how to stop Notion from opening while starting up your MacBook? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it in very few steps. Go ahead and tap on the small Apple icon from the top left corner of the screen, then select System Settings. Under System Settings, you're gonna have to go ahead and select General. Under General, go ahead and look for Login Items and Extensions, which is at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and open it. There you'll see Item and Kind written box. Go ahead and select the Chrome apps there. Then you'll see this minus button will appear. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you do that, you can see you've successfully removed Notion from opening while starting up your MacBook. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.